What if I told you that tiny changes, just 1% better every day, could completely transform your life? Sounds crazy, right? But that's what James Clear reveals. Forget motivation. The real secret to success is building a system of powerful habits. In the next 2 minutes, I'll break down the key lessons. We often believe success comes from massive changes, but the truth is, tiny improvements, repeated daily, lead to exponential growth. Imagine getting 1% better every day. In a year, you'd be 37 times better. But if you get 1% worse, you'll decline to almost zero. Scary, right? Want to change your habits? Change your identity first. Instead of saying, I want to lose weight, say, I am a healthy person. Every habit follows a 4-step loop. Cue, craving, response, reward. Make the cue obvious, craving attractive, response easy, and reward satisfying. The 2-minute rule. Make habits so easy you can't fail. Want to read more? Just read 1 page. Want to exercise? Do 1 push-up. To break bad habits, make them invisible, unattractive, difficult, and unsatisfying. Your habits define your future. What's one habit you're working on? Drop it in the comments. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe.